Uninstall Python 3.14 from Windows 10 11. In this video, I will show you the steps to uninstall or remove Python 3.14 completely from Windows 10, 10 and 11. So let's get started. You can search add remove programs in the Windows search bar and click on the add remove programs, and after that this screen will be presented. Here you search the Python and you can see Python 3.14.0A1 64-bit is installed on my machine. To uninstall, click this and then again click on the uninstall and again click on uninstall. So uninstall is in progress, and the uninstaller is removing Python 3.14.0A1 from Windows 10 desktop. So let's wait for the uninstall to complete. Python 3.14.0A1 is successfully uninstalled. So click on the close window and you can see here there is no Python. Open the terminal and type Python. So we don't have Python on the machine. So Python is completely removed from my Windows computer. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.